Hi folks, we're back here again with more Revit training, and we're going to continue our basic family series. Now here we created this chair. If you haven't started, and by the way, if you first time viewing this channel, please subscribe. It helps supports the channel to make videos. So anyway, we're up to this point. We've created all these parameters, and we can basically make this chair whatever we like. Just to make a sample here, let's say make this 12 feet. Okay. So I'm going to just undo that. So now let's look at, we want to say we want to do like say some tracery here, or we want to create an opening here in this space like we did earlier in our exercises. And like I said, you know, please go to the beginning of the exercises where we created this chair. So now what we're going to do here, we want to create an opening here. So to do that, we want to go into the front elevation, our front view. And I want to just tile these just so we can see what's going on here. So here I want to create just an opening or another parameter here, just to see how this works. So now here we're in our, you can shut this guy off, we don't need to see him now. So now we're in our front view. And so what I want to do here, I want to just go in and create some new reference planes. And this time I want to set reference plane, and I want to set it to center front back. And I'm going to say OK here. And then I'm going to go and draw some reference planes. This is here, one here. Now this is going to be for the opening. One here, one here. Okay. Now I want to select the Modify tab, and I'm going to go and select these. Hit the Control key and hold and select these 4 reference planes. And then in the Properties dialog box, I want to set this to not a reference. Okay. Just for those 4. And then I want to create some parameters. I want to create some. I want to do some dimensions here. Of course, for our parameters, and that's going to be equality there. I'm going to go from here to here. I'm going to make those equal. And then I'll make a parameter, another line dimension from here to here. And then I'm going to select it. And I want to add a label here. And I'm going to call this opening width. I'm going to just call this width. I think I can get away with that. And then here, I want to do another parameter from this point to this point. Then I want to select this, and then I want to add a label here. We call this length. So this is going to be the parameters for the length. I hope I don't have another parameter length here. I'm going to say OK. Okay, see, I already have that name. I thought I did. So here I'm going to just cancel this. And even this, I'm going to rename this one as well if I can. Let me just undo this back here, because that's going to be confusing. So I'm going to hit this guy, and I'm going to name this void length, void width. Let's see. I'm gonna make this. We can look at that later. For now, let's make it a type parameter. I'm gonna go OK. And then here, same thing. Okay, then I want to select this and then give this a parameter. Let's call this void length. And say OK. Now let's flex these guys and make sure they work. Give it a decent number here. So let's say for the void length here, let's make this 1'6". Click apply. Okay. Okay, wait a second. I didn't see anything happening there. Void again. Hang on. Oh, here we go. Let's make it 1'4". Okay, that works. And let's make this, let's just make this even 2 feet and see what happens here and click apply. Okay, so the parameters seem to work well. So now what we want to do here to finish this guy off is just go in and create one of our void extrusions here. Select void extrusion. And you want to go on the pick line. Make sure the lock is on here, and we want to pick this line, this one, and this one. We want to clean these edges up. Then we'll finish. Okay, so now let's go in our 3D view and see what we got. Okay, now there's our void, but it's not anywhere near where we want it to be. And so to fix that, let's go into our reference level. And here I want to just grab these pull arrows and pull this back from here to say here. And let's go back into our 3D view. Actually, I want to tile these views so you guys can see what's going on here. We don't need this one anymore. I'm going to WT and tile these. Okay, now you see our void is not cutting. So to fix that, all you would do is go into the Modify tab, which we were in, and hit Cut Geometry. So select this, and then the geometry, and then you have your cut. So that's pretty much it, guys. Now here we can adjust this thing. Take it all the way through. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Now we got a little issue here with this. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to align this. Okay, so we're good. So hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I just wanted to show you how to add more parameters to our chair. So we've got our void length, and we can also change this. We can adjust the size. We can make it 1'0" here, or whatever size we want, and we can recess it. But that'll be basically showing the lengths from the top view and to add more parameters. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this all the time. Everybody be safe, and see you in the next video. Bye.